Okay, wanted to look at one more problem here, one that's just a little bit different, looks a little bit more difficult. In fact, it is a little bit more difficult, but really it's just a matter of getting over one little obstacle. You're asked to find the derivative of this function, 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3 all over x squared. And this is where you have to be really careful about the rules we have. You know, the rules don't give us permission to do everything we'd like to do. What we have here is a quotient, meaning a fraction of two big, complicated functions. And there is a rule coming up in the future that we have for dealing with that, but generally, in this section at least, we're not prepared to find the derivative of a function divided by a function. However, in this particular problem, we can kind of get around the fact that we're dividing because the denominator is just one term. Okay, so what I have here is a few terms in the numerator added and subtracted together all over one denominator. So the first step to getting this is to rewrite it. I can write this as 2x cubed over x squared minus 4x squared over x squared plus 3 over x squared. Okay, when I do that, you can see that some things cancel. Okay, here I just end up with 2x, okay, minus 4 plus 3 over x squared, which is 3x to the power negative 2. And if you look here at this point, each one of these derivatives can be computed using one of our normal rules. So the answer is on the back on this one, but you know, I'll let you finish it. But that's kind of the way you need to get started. Get rid of the division first. We don't have a rule that allows us to deal with the division just yet, so we have to simplify it out of the way. Okay. Now you should be okay using the rules in this section.